The idea of sitting in a cubicle drives me insane. I've been there and done that. No, thank you. Camping, hiking, it's a challenge. I believe in constantly pushing that envelope. Prove to myself that I can do it. Takes resilience. My name is John. I'm from Atlanta. I work for North Georgia Replacement Windows. Working with my hands, I can see what I've done. I can see what I've accomplished. It's something tangible. It's physical. It's right there. It's a lifestyle. Typical day, I wake up at 4 a.m. There's a lot of physical and mental wear and tear on you. Have to suck it up and power through. The job has to get done. I think a lot of that comes from my time in the Army. Being a sergeant, that's 90% of what you do throughout your time. Taking all the moving parts and putting them in the right place. Doing the job right. Not cutting corners, not shorting somebody on something. In this business and in any other business, your reputation precedes you. We go that extra mile. Specific tools are designed for specific tasks. I'm going to use something that's a cut above, something that's going to hold up, something that's made to last. You know, a lot of people think that being tough means, you know, you're some action star or something like that. You know, to me, that's not really tough. That's Hollywood. Work 6 days a week, 14 hours a day for 40 years. To me, that's tough. That's being resilient.